Hello, second grade. We're going to get started with our blending drill. Make sure you say the sounds with me. Art, mart. Art, smart. Or, smort. Or, sp, ow, spout. Sp, or, k, spork. F, or, k, fork. Ghoul, or, k, glork. Ghoul, or, d, glored. Ghoul, d, gleed. D, read. Cool, ow, clown. Road. Nice job.